friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adedoyin. If this is your first time, and if this is not your first time, thank you so much for sticking with me. Today I'm just unboxing some of my favorite things. So I have used Olay's moisturizer once, and I loved it. And there's been so much rave about it, to be honest. And even when I used it, yeah, I loved it, but like I didn't see like any serious like changes. Obviously, I only used one bottle of the moisturizer for maybe about a month or 6 weeks or so. So I thought, okay, let me use the whole thing and see how that goes, and then maybe I can leave a better review. But I saw that the amount we're selling it on Amazon, on TikTok Shop, um was about £22, 20 to £22 usually for either the moisturizer or the body wash. And I thought, obviously, this product is not sold in the UK store because I tried to get it from the Olay store on Amazon, sorry, but it's not there. So I went on the US store and was able to find it. And I found that, oh, since I wanted to buy a large quantity at once, I bought four of the moisturizers and four of the body wash. And I thought, since I wanted to buy a large quantity at once, I think it'll make more sense if I just ordered it straight from the US store. It was going to save me a lot of money, obviously, because this is like $9, no, $9 to $10 for a bottle. That'll be $80 about thereabout for like these 8 bottles I got. And because I ordered it along with some other things, yeah, so sort of shipping was sort of like less, so to speak. But in all, like it's still way less than if I got it from the UK store, because I would have paid £20 to £22 for a bottle, and which would have been um the least to be £160 for everything, and then I'll still pay shipping. So £160 compared to $80. You guys do the maths. Like even with shipping, I still didn't pay up to $100 compared to £160. So you can see that, yeah. So if you do want to buy, and if you notice that the products you use, it definitely pays you to just go and order in bulk from Amazon US store. Just order in bulk, and yeah, it will get to you in time, and it will get to you like well packed and everything, and then cheaper as well. So yeah, thank me later. If you need the link, let me know. I can share the link with you. What else? Yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video, guys. I got the retinol, by the way. I got the retinol for nighttime, and I got the vitamin C for daytime, vitamin C body lotion for daytime. But for body wash, I only got the vitamin C one. So yeah, enjoy the vlog, guys. Keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So I just got a package. So I'm making a switch from my non-stick pot, so I'm trying to make a switch. So I just thought about it, did a bit of research, and found that stainless steel cast irons, those are like the best ones for you to use. And also my non-stick pot is like, it's been over a year, so it's getting to that stage where it's starting to scratch. So yeah, I don't want to do that to myself or my family, so decided let me just change it and get stainless steel. So yeah, I'm bringing them out. I want to unbox them for you guys. So yeah, I'm whispering because my son is asleep. So yeah, it's expensive. This was like one of the lower end, like, ouch, I just cut myself. This Legend is one of the lower end brands, but still has like really good reviews from what I saw on YouTube and online generally. And what else? It's a US product, so I had it shipped from US, Amazon US, just like I did with the Olay product. Because when I ordered it, at first like tried getting it from the UK website. I found someone who sold it, but when I now saw the cost it was going to cost me like a bit more, not a bit, like probably like £400, was it 400, like £50 to £100 more, including like buying it from the US store would be less, like buying from a UK store would have cost me like £100 more basically. So yeah, so first opinions, I love the packaging. but like it's a different box I saw from what was in the actually quite solid. Ooh, it's like heavy because I have these ones here that I got off where did I buy this one? No, it was in Tesco I got these ones actually. These ones are just like the normal stainless steel, nothing special, just I don't think it's like thick type, but this one is the 3-ply ones, meaning like there are 3 layers, and it's said to have like aluminium as the core, so let us see. I was hoping to get those ones that have glass covers, but like they were a lot more expensive. Oh, you can tell obviously it's very different from, so heavy, like really heavy. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see me compared to this one, like the whole weight of this, I don't know if you guys can see the whole weight of this pot, including the glass cover. I feel like it's the weight of this small one that I'm holding. So yep, love it already. It's a 10 set whatever pot. So pick my new set of pots. I may need to buy some more, but later on, because this is a small saucepan. I don't know what this will be for. Maybe like noodles. This one can be for like stew and soups. This one for like rice, jollof rice, maybe soups as well, stew. One is small. I don't know what I use this one for, like smaller meals, and then frying pans, maybe like pancakes for this smaller one, and then the bigger one for like proper frying. But we hardly fry stuff, so yeah. I'll look to buying. There's a 14-piece set actually, but I wasn't sure I needed that much, especially since I was just trying it out for the first time. So I'm like, let me just start with this one and see if I will not make a switch back to non-stick. Yeah, so that's that, guys. The other option, or the other thing the other pots that I was thinking I might have gotten were cast iron, but I read that they are difficult to maintain, they're very heavy, and they're way more expensive. So I'm just like, well, no, let me just stick to this one. So yeah, I want to make a wedu now. So my parents-in-law are around. Parents-in-law, I think that's correct. So there's a wedu here that I want to make. So little life updates. My parents-in-law are here, like I mentioned in the last vlog. And I'm resuming work, you guys. My baby is 5 months, done 5 months about 5 days ago. Yeah, but mama's got to go back to work. I've been home since August, pretty much since not long after I found out I was pregnant, because like my first trimester, like I said in my what vlog is that now, that was the pregnancy things I wish I knew about pregnancy. So I'll link it up here. My first trimester was a bit rough because lots of spotting, bleeding. So I took like multiple sick leaves around that early period of the pregnancy, and when I went back to work, thinking, oh, first trimester scare is over and all that. Just towards the end of first trimester, I went back to work, and then I had another massive bleeding episode. And you guys remember I wasn't working in as a doctor pretty much. I used to work as a care worker, so I think it can get a bit physically like demanding. I don't know why I had the last bleeding episode. I'm not saying that's why, but every one I had was right after I resumed work. So it was at that point we were just like, let me just take a chill pill and just relax. And I was also preparing for the MSRE exams around that period. So I started to resign so I resigned officially September. I gave my 1 month resignation notice by September, stopped work October. And so pretty much in October, I've been home. I was preparing for the MSRE that I wrote at the beginning, no, towards the end of February. Started preparing for the MSRE, yeah. Wrote it towards the end of February, had my baby at the end of February as well. And I've been home basically so officially I can say since September, I haven't been to work. So October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So you guys, 11 months. So I've done plenty at home, even though it wasn't like, oh, I was just chilling at home. It would have been nice if like, oh, I didn't have exams, I didn't have stuff to do before baby came. But I did have exams, and I'm grateful because the exams were what like gave me the job that I'll be resuming. So I'll be resuming as a GP trainee in Stoke-on-Trent. Yay. I'm sure everybody knows. Oops, my knee. Oh, my knee is locking. I'm sure everybody knows how competitive this stuff has gotten now. And the fact that my husband is also a trainee here in Stoke-on-Trent meant that, oh, I really needed it to be Stoke-on-Trent. But honestly, I wasn't like, oh, it has to be Stoke-on-Trent. I wanted it to be, but I preferenced like everywhere in the UK because I was desperate. I wrote this exam last year January as well, and my score wasn't enough to give me a place. So this year I was really, really desperate. I just started, even though I was really pregnant, decided I had to put in my all as much as I could, and hope for the best. So at the when second offers were released, like the second time they did cycle to release offers was when I got Stoke-on-Trent, my first choice. Not Stoke-on-Trent, is kind of not Staffordshire now. Yeah, so I got that my first choice. So thankful to God for that. I'm going back to work. By the time you're seeing this, I've resumed to work actually. Because today I'm seeing this is 1st of August, but this vlog goes up next weekend, which is going to be about 9th, 10th of August. So yeah, I'm exhausted, you guys. I think I'm just going to wrap up the vlog here. I just really wanted to update you guys and show you guys my new finds, the new things I'm trying now. Maybe I'll just insert clips of me using the pots. I don't know how, when you buy something new, and it's like I don't want to use it, but I want to use it at the same time. I want to make a redo, but I'm like, should I use it? Should I just use another pot? But I mean, we'll have to use it eventually. Maybe I should try it. Maybe I should try it for the redo. I'll try it. I'll just show you guys how that plays out. See you guys in a bit.